Um, so I may switch couple of screens. I'll start with PPT. In fact, I may not spend much time with PPT. Rather, we may use the some platforms, one or two platforms. Yeah, but before starting the discussion, I just want to know how which background the participants are from. How many? I hope you all have some chemistry understanding, isn't it? Or all of you are chemistry teachers. Can I assume like that? Or um, let me stop this meeting. Okay. Yes, let me feedback the understanding before starting the session. All are teaching chemistry, isn't it? Or is there any non-chemistry people here? They can maybe use the right hands raise button. So they can keep the things in the chat.